Okay, folks. I've been busting it today. My back is sore, but I still have all of this and all of that and that up there, and this fresh stuff that I collected today has got to go on that pile, and I've got to burn it. Now, after my last video, yeah, there's been some questions come up, you know, kind of like, how do you keep your beer cold? I'm going to answer that in this video. People ask me, how do you keep your beer so cold, Eddie? That's how. Lesson learned. That's how. Keep it cold. How do you really get that fire started to begin with? And believe it or not, okay, can you see that? You have to use a lighter like this. A regular Bic lighter just won't work, okay? Got to have almost naked Asian girls on it. Got those at the 19 Baht store. They have a lot of Chinese junk in there, but that's not junk. That's pretty good stuff. It works, see? Look, okay, all right. We need those. Don't spill your beer, Eddie. Pull that on. Need a machete, being this stuff. Need some O2 and some diesel. Only a fool would ever use gasoline to start a fire, okay? Diesel fuel does not flash, but it will burn. So once you put the diesel fuel in there, you can get in close, get the tinder going, and then once the diesel starts to burn, then you've got a decent flame. And if you need to, put a little O2 to it and it'll do good. But I'm going to show you how to start the fire. Yep. Okay, just so you know, this has got diesel fuel in it. Use plenty. It's not gonna flash on you like gasoline does. Put it in there, put the bucket away, grab your Asian half-naked lady Bic lighter, and start the tinder. It's been raining today, so all this is wet, but I can still get a fire going. If you don't have one of these, you're not going to be able to get this kind of fire. Am I good or what? I'm even impressing myself on this one. I got a neighbor that hates this shit when I do it. Yeah, it's smoking now. Holy cow. signals, he'll contact my relatives back in the U.S. Children at home to remember, don't try this at home, okay, unless your dad's there in a fire truck. Up close. So you know, that'll burn all night long and will still be hot come tomorrow morning. So anyhow, hope y'all enjoyed it. I have a blast when I do this. Talk to y'all later.